You're not the only one who hates unproductive meetings. So let me share some tips on how to take meetings from meh to amazing. We all know what the things are that make a meeting bad. Maybe one or two people do all of the talking with little or no opportunities for any type of interaction or for other people to contribute. Meetings that don't have any type of set agenda or even a set goal. So nobody knows why they're there or what's supposed to happen at the end, and everybody just feels like it's a waste of time. So I am going to share with you 3 tips on how to make meetings more engaging and productive in this video. First tip is to make meetings interactive. If you have the attention of multiple people at the same time, you have all that brain power in one place. Use it. That means meetings are not just for 1 or 2 people to share information, but they're a place to get ideas or gather responses. See if you can generate new ideas by the combination of different people and different ideas. The second tip is to add an agenda. Yes, this means a little bit of planning and foresight on one person's part to figure out what's going to happen during the meeting, but I promise it will pay off in dividends during and after the meeting. Think about what needs to happen and how much time needs to be dedicated to each of those steps. What conversations have to happen? What are people supposed to take away? And how do you set it up so people take that away, so that they remember the right things and they take the right actions? Part of making meetings more productive is making sure that you're spending the time the right way. If it's a meeting where you need people to brainstorm, you probably need to do something to get them thinking creatively and to show them that it's a safe space for them to toss out ideas of any kind, even if they're not great ideas. You can't just go from 0 to great idea. You have to have some clunkers in there and have people be able to respond and bounce ideas off of each other before you get to the really great co-created ideas. The third tip is to use the power of play. I promise you, it will get people engaged in a different way. Whether you start with a game, whether you end with a game, whether you do it in the middle, you're gonna get people's energy up, you're gonna get their engagement up, their enthusiasm, they're gonna feel more bought in and more accountable to each other, and it will be fun, it will be memorable. So please, please, please recognize that a great way to make meetings more productive is to bring in some fun and play. Just to review, the 3 tips that I shared are: make meetings interactive and engaging, make sure that there's a plan and an agenda for what's going to happen, and play games. Make the meeting fun. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.